Guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to stick wallpaper on your wall. Those ones without glue at the back already, the ones we have to mix the glue ourselves. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step how to go about it, the measurement of the water you need, and the amount of glue you need, and everything. I'm going to walk you through step by step. But this is how my room is looking right now. It's the new place I got, and it's yellow. Like, I don't know who stays in a yellow room. No insult or no nothing, but that's not for me. This is the part I did. It's my first time, so I was actually trying to see if I can do it, and I was able to do it. So I was like, yeah, then let me teach you guys. So yes, basically that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to teach you how I install the other side and the step by step. I didn't get. I think I got, but it was expensive. The one I got with the already sticky back was quite. The sticker type was quite expensive, so I went in for this one. And this is the glue I'm going to use: wallpaper adhesive, and this is half, right? This is half of the glue. It's powder. This half, and this is how the full one looks like. So the one on the table is half of what I'm holding. This is a fresh one I've not opened. This half. That's what I use half for two rows of the wallpaper. So I guess a full one can do 4 rows of the wallpaper. Now I'm going to teach you the water measurement. I'm using sachet water, so you know one sachet water is 500 ml. So I used three of them. That's 1.5 liter, and that took half of the half, so quarter of the glue. So that means a full sachet of glue will take about 6 liters of water. Basically, that's a simple mathematics. Not more than 6 to 7 liters of water. So yeah, this is me emptying my sachet of water into a bowl. So you just need a bowl with your water and a stick, any stick at all. I'm using my ladle. So any stick at all, and this is the glue. We are just going to do like we are doing cocoa, like we are doing porridge. So we stir in one direction. It's a chemical reaction, so we stir in one direction. That's how I'm stirring mine. I'm just pouring it in. When it gets to a thicker consistency, I'll just stop. So I'm just pouring in. When it start getting thick, you realize. So I'm just pouring in, and you don't make it so thick at the beginning, because after some time it gets thicker too. So when you get at least like when it's getting thick, trust me, you know. So I just added a little more, and then here you can see I'm going a bit faster because I felt I needed to go faster so that it will melt the glue. But you don't actually need all that much strength. So I just went in to stir for a while. It was coming, it was dropping on the table. So this is how much was left. That was like half of the half, so like quarter. So I use 1.5 liter for a quarter of the glue, and this is my glue all ready and all set. You can see it's thickening up, right? Yeah. So you don't make it very thick at the beginning, you leave some room for more thickness, and this is the consistency I have to work with. Yes, basically me stirring. It has the instructions on the box, but it's basically you pouring it in a bowl, stirring, and then when you get the consistency you want, then yeah, use your glue. So I went in with my hand. This is the consistency. It's quite thick. I went in with my hand so you see the thickness. Yep. So our porridge is ready. Let's just go and get bread and add milk and sugar, and we have a good porridge. So this is the consistency. You can see how thick it is, and I don't think it's compulsory to make it this thick. If it's a bit light, that's fine. At least it's just glue, and it's not sticky. You may think it's not glue, but it's glue. It's not sticky at all. Well, it's not that sticky. It's like porridge. So yeah, basically the glue is ready. Now I went ahead to take measurement of my wall so I could cut the wallpaper to the same length. So this is me, carpenter one, taking measurement of the wall from top to bottom. Ouch. I don't think it hits my head, but yeah. So I think 9 feet from top to down was 9 feet. So I'm going to cut this my wallpaper. It is not sticky. Once again, the back is not sticky. So I just put it on the floor and I apply the glue at the back of the wallpaper. So first of all, I just cut the 9 feet of the wallpaper. And one wallpaper, no, one wall took like the first one I showed you, the brick ones. The wall, that side of the wall is not that big, so it took like two of the wallpaper. You know, the guy told me I should buy six for the whole room, and I used two for only one side. And even this side I'm doing will take more than two because I'm not sure the two will reach. So I think if anything at all, for a normal standard room, you should get like 7 to 8 wallpapers. Even that, if your room is big, it may not reach. So yeah, this is me cutting the length of the wallpaper I was going to stick on the wall. Nicely cut. And then I'm going to apply. Now I use a rolling brush just so you know, to make my work more easy. And make sure you apply more at the ends because it's the ends that are going to stick to the walls. If the ends are not well glued, your wallpaper may come off. So yeah, this is me applying the glue at the back of the wallpaper, at the back, oh, at the back of the wallpaper. So yeah, applying, paying attention to the ends of the wallpaper. Basically that. Yeah. So on the glue, they show you when you apply, you fold it. That's what I'm doing. So you can just put it on the other one. It won't stick. It will take a while. And yes, if you are using a fan in your room, I don't know for air condition, but if you are using a fan in your room, then you may want to put the fan off because the glue dries off quite faster. I'm not saying it dries very fast, but with fan it dries off very fast. So yeah, you may want to put off the fan and endure the heat for a while. Mm. And one quick trip, did I say trip? One quick trick is Akosua. So I'm going to apply glue, the same glue on the wall, right? I think you're supposed to put some wall something. I didn't have that, but I'm just going to apply this glue on the wall, and I'm applying it to the portion I think I'll stick the wallpaper. So I'm just applying it from the top to the down where I'll stick the wallpaper, because if I apply it to the whole wall, it may dry up before I even get to some portions of the wall. So I'm just applying to some portion of the wall, and then I'll stick my wallpaper there. I don't want to add any music to this thing, but it looks like we may have to get a music for it. Oh, I can sing for you. Yeah, so this is me coming to give you angles. Yes, I'm giving you angles, bro. I'm giving you angles. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Ignore your bottom right. Those atoms. I can see kettle, I can see blender, I can see bucket, I can see food I ate not long ago. So yeah, this is me applying to the wall, the bottom of the wall. And the carpet was covering part of the wall, so I didn't go all the way down. I just went to where the carpet sort of ends, and that was it. Mm-hmm. We are almost done. Yeah, once you do this, then just take your wallpaper and bro, you are good to go. I didn't have a ladder, so I was using my table, and this is me giving you another angle back to the top. And so yeah, I brought the wallpaper, I put it on the table because I didn't have anyone to give it to me. I'm working alone, working solo. I did solo. You know that song? Yeah, Kwame Eugene. So yeah, this is me sticking the wallpaper on the wall, and this is how it looks like. This is the length I cut, and you can go in as many times as you want. Like I said, the glue doesn't dry that fast if your fan is off. So you can stick and remove until you are okay. And this is me on the wall like a spider trying to fix trying to fix a wallpaper. And yeah, I'm brushing my hand on it just to get rid of any bubble that may be present. And Yeah, it's very simple. When I was getting this type, I was very scared because I've not done some before, and I was thinking it may not go well. But bro, it's simple. It's quite simple. Quite simple. Although the sticky stuff, the sticky types are probably more easy to apply or easy to work with because you don't have to mix any glue. But bro, this was quite easy and quite simple. So this is it on the wall. This is the first one. I'm going to do the rest of the wall, and let me show you another one. Let me show you a quick one. So this is from top to down. Let me show you one more, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, I'm still admiring the first one I did. So this is another one I'm going to apply. Mhm. This is the second one. Now I feel the designed ones are quite easy to apply, although it has its own pros and cons. It's quite easy to apply because you don't see the line, the division that much. But this is not even bad. This is cool. Now I'm second thinking I should have painted instead, but bro, we started this wallpaper journey and we must finish. Let me know if you want to see the full room how it turnn out. But here I realized it wasn't fitting well, so I went back, removed the whole thing, and I fixed it again, and that can be done as well. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video up to this point, please subscribe to the channel and comment part 2 if you want to see the full room. Yeah, comment part 2 if you actually want to see the full room, and let me know how I did for my first tryout. And if you want to do the same thing, I think you should go for it. It's not difficult. It's very simple. Do it yourself. Don't let anybody come and charge you and take your small money left. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Palma, and it was nice teaching you how to do a wallpaper, actually how to fix a wallpaper. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.